Luke chapter 19. Jesus with Zakius. Jesus entered Jericho, come waka go inside the town. For there, he get one man wey him name be Zakius. He get money well because he be tax collectors oga. He don tey wey he wan see Jesus, but he no fit see am because he be short man and people too plenty. So he run go climb one sycamore tree make he for fit see am because Jesus go pass that road. When Jesus reach that place, he look up come say, "Zakius, come down quick because I must stay for your house today." So Zakius come down, come welcome Jesus with happiness. When the people see wetin happen, they come dey complain, they say, "Jesus don go visit that man wey be sinner o." But Zakius stop, come tell Jesus, "Oga God, see, I go give half of wetin I get to poor people, and everybody wey I don cheat before, I go pay am back 4 times. Then Jesus say, "Salvation don come this house today because this man na Abraham pikin too." Yeah, that's better. Man pikin come to find and save people wey lost before. 10 Talent Parabol. As Jesus dey waka near Jerusalem, he come tell the people one parable to show say God kingdom no go just come like that. Jesus come say one big man travel go one far country where dem for wan make am king, and after he come back. But before he go, he call 10 of him servants, come give each one money, say, "Make una take this money trade and make profit till I come back." But him own people no like am, so they come send message follow am say, "We no want this man to be our king." When he come back after he don get the kingdom, he come call him servants wey he give money make he for know how much they don gain. So the first one stand for him front say, "Oga God, I don gain 10 coins join the ones wey you give me." The Oga God come tell am, "You do well, you be good servant. Because you dey faithful with small thing, I go make you oga over 10 towns. Then the second one come say, "Oga God, I don gain 5 coins join the ones wey you give me." So the oga tell am, "You be oga for 5 towns. Then another servant come say, "Oga God, see the money wey you give me. I keep am inside cloth because I dey fear and I know say you harsh well. You dey chop food wey no be your own and you dey pluck fruit where you no plant." The oga come tell am, "Na your word I go take judge you wicked servant. So you know say I be harsh man. I dey chop food wey no be my own and I dey pluck fruit wey I no plant. Then why you no put my money for bank so that when I come I go collect am with interest wey go dey on top?" Then the oga tell the other servant, "Make una take the money from am, give am to the servant wey get 10. They answer, "Oga God, the man don already get 10. The oga come say, "I tell una, anybody wey get, God go give am more. But the person wey no get, even the small one wey he get, God go take am from am. But those my enemy wey no want make I be their king, make una go bring them, come kill them for my front. Jesus entered Jerusalem as king. After Jesus talk this word, he can't go Jerusalem. When he reached Bethpage and Bethany for the place where then they call Mount Olives, he can't send two of his disciples say, make una go the village where he dey front. When una enter, una go see one small donkey where nobody don sit down put before, where they tie for there. Make una lose am, come give me. If anybody ask una, why una dey lose am? Make una answer, the oga need am. So, the people where they send go, can't reach the place where Jesus tell them. As then they lose the donkey, the owner can't ask them, why una dey lose am? They answer, the oga need am. They take the donkey, come put their cloth on top am. Then Jesus sit down put. As Jesus they ride, they go. People come they spread their clothes for road. As they enter the road where he go Mount Olives, all the disciples come they happy. They praise God with loud voice for all the miracles where they don't see. God don't bless the king where they come with his name. Make peace dey for heaven and make all the glory be God own. But some Pharisee people where they among the people can't tell Jesus, Teacher, make you tell your disciples, make them quiet. Jesus answer, I tell on a true word, if them quiet, even stones go start to shout. Jesus cry because of Jerusalem. When Jesus near Jerusalem, he look the town, come they cry. Then he say, I wish say una know wetin go give una peace today. But now, God don't hide am from una. Time go come when una enemies go surround una for every corner, come block una road. They go destroy una and una children, and they not go leave one block on top another one. Because the time when God come visit una not know. Jesus clean the temple. Jesus entered the temple, come drive all the people where they sell things for there. He can't say, God word say my house na prayer house, but una don't turn am to house where thief they hide put. Jesus come they teach every day for the temple. The priest oga them, the law teachers with the big leaders among the people, come they find how they go take kill Jesus. But they not get any chance because people they listen to wetin Jesus they teach.